Welcome to McKinney. Today, we're going to dive into the heart of this thriving city and uncover its hidden treasures.
From captivating solar installations to the groundbreaking debut of the Tesla Powerwall 3.
I'm Macy.
And I'm Olivia, the graphic designer at Good Faith Energy. I'm usually not in front of the camera, but today we're talking about my hometown, so I knew I had to make an appearance. McKinney has really changed in the last few decades of my family and I living here. It used to just be fields of grass and cattle, and now you'll notice the numerous homes and businesses harnessing the power of solar energy and battery storage. If you're interested in having a battery backup solar system of your own, be sure to contact Good Faith Energy, the highest rated solar company in the state of Texas with over 500 legitimate 5-star reviews. One of my favorite places to go to is the historic downtown McKinney, which feels like entering a time capsule where the nostalgia of brick streets blends with the energy of budding entrepreneurs and local small businesses. This is actually where I got my first job in high school as a summer camp art instructor at the McKinney Art House. I have some of the fondest memories there in this 100-year-old house turned art studio. It was an amazing experience getting to inspire and teach the next generation of young artists. The Collin County Historic Museum is a really cool place to visit to learn more about the origins of downtown McKinney. They have priceless artifacts such as pictures, newspapers, and memorabilia, which really open your eyes to what life was like in the city centuries past. And if you ever get hungry, make sure to stop by Local Yokel for the best locally sourced steaks and barbecue. And if you want some dessert afterwards, visit Mom and Pop's gourmet selection of popcorn and candy. In the spring, when the weather is warm and sunny, you'll almost always catch me at the farmer's market at the Chestnut Square Historic Village on Saturday mornings shopping for fresh fruits and vegetables. My second favorite place to visit is the enchanting Adriatica Village, where you're transported into a world of Croatian-inspired elegance. It's the perfect place to walk the cobblestone streets and take in the beauty of the waterfront views. Bonnie Wank is the place my family and I love to go to have some fun and let our crazy dog run around the dog park. Now I'm going to hand it off to someone you're all much more familiar with, Macy, to talk about GFE's efforts to improve McKinney with the power of the sun.
Among our proudest achievements in our decade-long journey is our collaboration with Habitat for Humanity, bringing sustainable, reliable solar energy to the doorstep of deserving families. It's moments like these that remind us of the profound impact we can make when we merge our passion for clean energy with our dedication to community empowerment. Join the ever-growing McKinney residents embracing the security of clean, renewable energy with Good Faith Energy. Reach out to us today and let's begin your journey toward a brighter tomorrow, one solar panel at a time. And if you haven't already explored the wonders of Frisco, make sure to check out our video highlighting the marvels of this neighboring city. If you're a McKinney resident ready to take the leap into solar and battery solutions for your home, give us a call. We're here to help you unlock the potential of sustainable living right here in McKinney, Texas. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe below if you haven't already. Leave a comment below about what you love most about this video. We'll catch you in the next one, and let us know if you want to see more of Olivia back on the screen.